Hi, I'm Jonathan Huber. Today I want to talk to you about why proper trust administration is crucial, even when all beneficiaries are in agreement. I often hear from families who say, "We all get along, and we just want to make sure that our assets are distributed as quickly as possible." While that sounds great, skipping the proper legal steps can lead to major issues down the road. Let's talk about why following the process matters and how it protects both trustees and beneficiaries. First, let's talk about the trustee's role. As a trustee, you have a legal duty called a fiduciary duty to follow the terms of the trust exactly as written. Even if all beneficiaries agree to do things differently, failing to administer the trust properly can lead to legal liability. For example, if assets are distributed too soon without settling debts or taxes, the trustee could be personally responsible for those expenses later. Second, even when families are in agreement today, circumstances can change. What if a beneficiary later feels they didn't get their fair share? Or what if a creditor or estranged family member comes forward with a claim? Proper trust administration ensures that everything is documented, assets are distributed fairly, and no one can challenge the process later on. Good record keeping, clear communication, and formal documentation help protect not just the beneficiaries, but also the trustee from any legal challenges. Third, there are tax and financial implications to consider. If assets are distributed incorrectly, it could trigger unexpected tax consequences for beneficiaries. For example, some assets like retirement accounts need to be handled in a very specific way to avoid tax penalties. A trust attorney ensures that everything is done efficiently and in a way that minimizes tax burdens. At the end of the day, proper trust administration isn't just about following the law, it's about protecting your family, preserving relationships, and ensuring that your loved one's wishes are carried out in the right way. Even in the best case scenario where everyone agrees, it's worth taking the time to do things properly. If you have any questions about administering a trust, my team and I are here to help. Feel free to reach out and let's make sure your trust administration is done the right way.